Hello my dear children, welcome to the computer science class. In today's class, you are going to know about modifying a worksheet. Modifying a worksheet. As you learned in the previous lesson, how to adjusting the size, then you know about selection of cells, rows and columns in a worksheet. In this lesson, you can modify a worksheet by adding or deleting rows and columns, changing the color pattern and font as well. Let us see inserting cells, rows and columns. First of all, you want to know where is the insert option. From the home tab, in the cells group, you can see the insert option. Now I will tell you how to insert a cell. Step 1. Place the cursor in the cell. Step 2. Click the insert button on the cells group of the home tab. This is called dialog box. Step 3. Choose where you want to insert cell from the insert dialog box. I choose shift cell down. Click on the OK. Now you can see the cell is inserted. Next, how to insert a row. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want a new row to be inserted. Step 2. Click the insert button on the cells group of the home tab. Click on insert sheet rows option to insert a new row. Now you can see the active cell get inserted. You can make use of the row. Let you know how to insert a column. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want a new column to be inserted on left or right. Step 2. Click the insert button on the cells group. Step 3. Click on the insert sheet column option to insert a new column. Now active column get inserted. Now you can make use of the column. Let us know about deleting cells, rows and columns. To delete cells, rows and columns, you have to follow the same method of inserting cells, rows and columns. So step 1. Place the cursor in the cell or row or column that you want to delete. Step 2. Click the delete button on the cells group of the home tab. Step 3. Choose appropriate choice cell or row or column from the delete dialog box. Now you can see the selected cell, row and column get deleted in the worksheet. Making your worksheet colorful. You can change the color of any cells in the spreadsheet by choosing a contrasting color for the background to add more efforts to your Excel spreadsheet. Okay children, to change the background color of the cell, you have to select cell or row or column. I am selecting one row. From the Home tab in the font group, point the fill color icon. Click the arrow just to the right of the fill color icon. You will see a color pattern. Move your mouse over any of the colors and the cell color will change automatically. பார்க்குறீங்களா? Click to set the color you want. If you don't like any of the colors displayed, click on the More Colors option. From the Colors dialog box displayed, choose a color which you want and click OK. To change the text color, select the text that you want to change. From the Home tab in the font group, point to the font color icon. Click the arrow to the right of the font color icon. You will see a color pattern. Select a color just like you did for the background color of the cell. The text color changed. To know how to use the paste special features. Step 1. Select the range of data you wish to copy. Step 2. On the Home tab in the clipboard group, click Copy icon. Click the cell where you want to paste the range. On the Home tab in the clipboard group, click down the arrow of the paste icon and click the Paste Special option. From the Paste Special dialog box displayed, select the necessary option from the paste selection and click OK. Now you can see the pasted data. The alignment options in the Home tab. The option allows you to change the alignment of the text in a cell or cells, text orientation, merge several cells together and so on. For more alignment option, you can click on the Format Cells alignment row, which is located at the right side bottom of alignment group to display the Format Cell dialog box. To align between the left, center and right side of a cell, select the cell you wish to align. On the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the center icon to center the data in the cell. You can see the data changed into center. Then choose Align Text Right and Align Text Left. You can see the text aligned data. Next, to align between the top and bottom of a cell, select the cell or cells you wish to align. On the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the top align icon or click the middle align icon or click on the bottom align icon. The three methods here shown in the visual. The orientation of data cells. Select the cell you wish to change. Click the orientation icon. You will see a drop down menu allowing you to format the cell orientation. You can choose any one of the command. Let you know about to wrap multiple lines of data in a cell. Type the text into any cell and press enter. The entry will appear as one long line does not fit into the cell. Select the cell and then on the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the Wrap text icon. Now you can see the difference between before and after wrapping text. Several cells. Select the cells that you wish to merge or join. On the Home tab in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center icon. The selected cells will be merged to become one cell and data is centralized. Are you noticed, children? Next, to string text into one cell, select the data, right click on the selected cell, click Format Cells. From the Format Cell dialog box displayed, click on the String to Fit and click OK. You can see the data get string.